What's up? What's poppin'? Today we are going to make buka stew, traditional Nigerian buka stew. Guys, let me show you what we got. We got bell peppers. These were frozen, but they are defrosted. And I'm just taking off all the seeds because the seeds ill. Guys, look at this bell pepper. It has foam. I don't know why. I think it's because it was thawed. But anyways, I put that. I make sure I rinse it as well. So anyways, I took off the seeds and stuff, put it inside the blender. Got my Scotch bonnet. Some people call it habanero, but there's a difference. There's not a difference in spice level, guys. Don't worry. I added 2 because I like the spice. Cut my onions, portioned it into 2 because I'm leaving the other half, the smaller bit for the meat stock. So put the bigger chunks in the blender and added my tin tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, yours, 2 cans, 2 tins, whatever. Okay, so I added that in. Make sure you add all of it. Okay, guys, in this pot is a pot of meat. I have beef and chicken. I'm just adding a bit more water. Guys, if you want to know how to make meat stock, check my egusi video, my previous video, episode 1. Guys, I'm taking out the chicken, the beef, and the whole stock itself because I need to make sure the pot is dry so I can fry my pepper mix. So I'm adding palm oil. This palm oil was solidified, but you know, with small heat, it will make it melt. I was gonna say meltified, whatever. I'm adding my pepper mix. You see the pot is so hot. Guys, this stew is so easy to do, guys. Just follow along and add the ingredients as your heart feels like it wants to do, but be healthy, guys. Add a healthy amount of everything. Added beef stock seasoning powder. I'm giving it a stir now. Yes, guys, season your stew. It's not only the stock that needs seasoning, it's the stew, the pepper mix too. Let's go. So I make sure to cook this stew very well. Don't let it over fry because this is buka stew for pounded yam, swallows, eba, amala, especially amala. So you don't want the soup to over fry, you get me? You don't want to leave the stew too long in the oil. So guys, I'm adding my chicken and beef and stock back into the pot and I'm giving it a nice stir. Guys, you see this pot of soup, it is filled to the brim, or almost to the brim. Obviously can't be filled to the brim because we don't want to overspill, we don't want a spillage. Anyway, we don't want a spillage, whatever. Guys, look, you see my soup is so nice, but I had to take a little taste test, you know, to test it. Got to test the soup to see if it's flavorful, of course. Guys, I didn't show like a landscape video of my soup, but it's okay. I got a portrait one that I'm gonna be adding to TikTok soon. I've added like a little like trailer, but if you've seen it, you've seen it, innit? So guys, let me show you my soup. And guys, I'm also making pando like in the background. I think that's why the video is stationary. Alright, let me fast forward it. Alright, cool. To start off, we're gonna put some chicken thigh, a piece of chicken thigh, cause I love chicken thigh. Then I'm gonna find a nice succulent piece of beef. Well, they're all succulent in it, but anyway, guys, I couldn't just put one. I put 2. Anyway, gotta put plenty soup. Soup best. Yeah, this soup is super. Okay, guys. Look at my pounded yam. It's so like eyes can see the flick. See how it flick like Nike, guys. The pounded yam was soft like candy floss. Like, what's going on? Anyway, see you guys later. Bye.